How to fix Valorant voice chat not working. First, open Valorant and go to the top right corner. Click the gear icon, then choose Settings. At the top, go to the Audio tab, then select Voice Chat. Check your input and output device. Make sure they both set to default system device. If it still doesn't work, exit Valorant. On Windows, go to Search bar and type Settings. Click on System, then go to Sound. Check your output device first. Make sure it's correct. Then check your input device, your microphone. Once everything is set properly, your Valorant voice chat should be working again. Subscribe to see more video like this.